Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi REDMI Pad 2, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock password to your tablet. So the first thing you should consider in this scenario is to try and remember the password that worked for you the last time, and if you really can't do that, then the other best solution for you would be to contact Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about your issue. And if you have the proof of the ownership of this device, then they will most likely help you out solving this problem without the need of removing any personal data from your device. And the last thing that you can do is to perform a factory reset, which will erase all data from your tablet, but this will let you regain access to it. So you can do this both locally and remotely. And if you want to do this locally, you can do that by using recovery tools, and if you don't know how to use them or how to access them, then you can check the entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step, so you won't miss anything. So if you're interested, then go ahead and check it out. And if you want to perform a factory reset operation remotely, you can do this using Find My Device feature if you haven't disabled it in the settings. In such case, you can log into your Google account on Find Hub service by Google using any of your other devices, and then find your tablet there and select factory reset. This will perform factory reset operation in one click, and you will be able to regain access to your account and to your device once again. And that will be all for this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.